Hey everyone, I'm back. I know I ain't make a video in a long time. Been busy working, crazy hours at the job, a lot of overtime, so good thing. The yard work, wife want the yard work done since it's spring, cutting grass, just things like that. She's been very busy. But I got this aquarium light. Don't work. Scrap it. Cut the cord. Just $1 a pound. Some brass. Just yank him out. Another guy. Just yank him out. He's still $1 a pound. Still got these. This is gonna be stainless steel. Probably just yank that out. Screws are rusty. Not much, some more wires. Thought it might be a transformer in there. That's a piece of aluminum. Oops. All the way over there. Just some more wires. Cut them off. Yeah, I got my tripod now, so it make it a lot easier if I want to make a video on scrapping. Nothing much. Just gotta get these stainless steel out. One. The rest is trash. Let's see. Got a little bit of aluminum, stainless steel, some wires, stainless steel, a little piece of aluminum, and some brass. Not bad. Didn't take no time. So thanks y'all for watching. Glad to be back.